Buhay Partylist Representative Lito Atienza was not moved by the privileged speech made by House Speaker Alan Peter Cayetano.
Nakailang budget hearing kami dito. Paglabas na paglabas, malalaman namin, buong opisina nung kabudget namin, nagka-COVID. Takbo kami, hiwalay sa pamilya, magpapa-swab na naman. Yung ilong ko, hindi naman ganito katangos dati, pero sa daming beses na swab.
Cayetano delivered his speech a day after the Malacanang meeting, President Duterte and Marinduque Representative Lord Alan Velasco. Cayetano offered to resign from his post.
So I can step aside, but I cannot guarantee he will be elected. In fact, I will make a fearless forecast. Hindi siya mananalo. Or, if I step aside, mananalo siya, after 1 week, makukudita siya.
184 lawmakers voted to reject his resignation. But according to Atienza, Cayetano's resignation should be on October 14.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.